Do you want to improve your English and make an English sentence like this? Then this video is totally for you. Hi, my name is Tonmoy, and you know that in every day I try to make an English video so that you can learn English frank way or easy way. I'm here to help you. On this channel, you always get this kind of video. In this video, we are going to make a big English sentence that's totally change your mind, that how you try to make an English sentence in everyday's life. So let's jump on the main chapter. First thing first, an English sentence has a three ingredients like subject, verb and object, and also information. This called information. Now I will give you an example. I sing a song. Why? Okay. 5 question after finishing this three stuff: subject, verb, object. After finishing this three stuff, you can ask your brain. Why you ask your brain? After doing this stuff, you get an outrageous opportunity to you. So just ask 5 things. What? Ask a question to your brain. What, when, where, how, and number 5 is where. Well, so what's the sentence? Is that I sing a song. Now you will add a preposition. What type of sentence you are try to making in every day? Just recall your brain. I sing a song with my brother. Add a preposition, then add a phrase. Now ask your brain, why you sing a song? Why? You have a purpose, like you can sing a song in your school for your some festival or got a first prize at your school, right? I sing a song with my brother for recreating this music because we have a function at our school. So that's the sentence, and you can also increase this sentence like the same way. You can use some connectors, you can use some preposition or phrasal verb. That is the main information. First thing, you can also add subject, verb, object, also information. So that's the sequence, and that's the significant result in front of you. You can make a sentence like way. But one thing always remember, you ask your brain this 5 questions: what, when, how, where, and whose. My dear students, I hope you understand the full video and you enjoy for learning your English, and hope you are doing great in your learning stuff. Love you everyone. That's all from me. By the ending of this video, I would like to give you one word, is that study. Now you make a sentence with the word like a big sentence, add preposition, connectors and phrase, and think about your sentence, then increase your sentence, and yeah, your sentence would be big. So love you everyone. That's all from me, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's very important for me.